Lisa from Southwest Houston has a question about air filters.
She's all questions, Tom. Lisa writes, what is the rating you'd recommend for home air filters? And also, you mentioned media filters. She says, I do not have a new home, so my understanding correctly is that this would go in the place of where the filter goes, and I'd replace it every 3 months. Is that right? Or do I have to put it in the attic and get some kind of actual machine to attach it to?
If it's a media filter, you're going to have a 4 to 5 inch filter that goes on the. It's not a machine, but it's a container box that the filter slides in and out of that attaches to the back of the air handler. And if you ever go to replace your unit, I highly recommend you put one in. Everybody's doing it now. It's just
everybody,
pretty
everyone,
much on a new unit.
Stop anyone on the street.
Yeah. Anyway, then you have the 1 inch filters that most people that you're probably dealing with now, but the MERV rating on them is going to be the same. A MERV 7 or 8 right in there is the best one for home. So lets enough air go through, and it's dense enough to pick up the small particulates.
MERV 7 or 8?
MERV.
Ooh,
like the Merv Griffin show.
Remember Merv Griffin?
Yes, I do.
Your kids are dating ourselves. Of course, he only made his most money on
real estate.
Wheel of Fortune.
Oh, I knew he was a wheeler dealer of real estate.
He was literally a wheeler dealer. Hey, Tom made it funny.
Okay.
All right. Got a question? He'll make an answer for you. Send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Check out our other videos over here. And, of course, subscribe to our channel. You really be helping us out with that one.